Hi there, to calibrate gyroscope on your Poco X7 Pro, just go in your settings. Here, find About Phone tab, and after that, choose Detailed Info and Specs. So, from here, scroll down and you'll see this kernel version. You need to tap several times on it till this CIT menu would be opened. Now, what we are going to do next is we need to tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and check Additional Tools. And now you can actually see Gyroscope Sensor Calibration Test. So tap it, and here you need to tap this blue button Calibrate, and you'll see how the values changes. And you can tap it again and check Information Calibration Passed. So what does it actually mean? Basically, calibrating the gyroscope on a phone can help improve its accuracy for applications that rely on motion sensing, such as gaming or navigation. And if something does not work right, you can tap this blue button Pass. After that, choose this tab again and tap on Calibrate once more. Now you should see Calibration Passed. But if for some reasons you cannot calibrate your gyroscope, then you can perform hard reset of the phone. So basically like factory reset to erase all data and then start up your device once more. And now to exit this test, just to use your back arrow on the bottom of the display. Here you'll see that you wanna exit test and then simply tap OK, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye!